I'm so excited. I got masking tape from the Dollar Tree today, and I was able to switch out my expensive, like, name brand masking tape that I got when I was in Denver for the Dollar Tree masking tape. So I gave my nephew the cheaper or the more expensive masking tape. So I'm gonna let him have fun with that. And I got the cheaper masking tape that doesn't have the wax seal on it. So I'm so excited to open this bad boy up and utilize it for all my artistic needs. Look, it's so terrible. Like, even the packaging is like sticking to it. I'm so excited. It has no like wax on it. Like, everything's sticking to it. It's just, oh, y'all, I'm in bad masking tape love. It's awesome. I'm so excited. I can never express how excited I am at bad masking tape because it doesn't have that waxy stuff, sealant on it that prevents it from being used as a blending tool. So I'm super stoked. So yeah, I had to share that with you guys. So much love. Later, y'all.